And now I am going to run this same code on iOS. So first stop every process and run it on iPhone only. So there you will see we are getting the error, Razorpay error. Okay, so there are some errors that you will get when you will run this code on iPhone. So some error will be like CocoaPad did not set the base configuration. Okay, and also another error, module Razorpay was created for incompatible type. So what you need to do, there are few errors. So also same error is mentioned in the official documentation, the troubleshooting. Okay, so first thing we need to enable this bytecode. Okay, and the target version we already set for the 10, and maybe you will see some other error. So the solution is very simple. Just open this Flutter project on Xcode. Okay, now folder runner. Okay, first the project, in this project runner, check this debug, release and profile segment. Okay, so in this segment you will see the runner is select for the debug, release is select for the release, but the profile is select for the release as well. So make the profile as generated. Okay, this is a one solution for this problem. CocoaPad did not set the base configuration. Okay, so I have mentioned all these things like that. And the second solution, Razorpay is incompatible. Okay, so once you will make all this change, then go inside this target runner, and in this build setting, there you can see the enable bytecode. By default it is no, so make it yes. Okay, so same step mentioned in this documentation, enable the bytecode, or even you can write this code in your pod file in Android Studio as well. So inside this iOS pod file, so there you need to write the code like that. Okay, but it is much better to do all this thing from the Xcode. Now I am going to run this code in iPhone 12 Pro. So as you can see, now it is working fine. So I can use amount 40 start. So there you can see everything is working fine, and I can make the payment as well. So this time suppose internet banking, just make successful. So that's it. Okay, I am getting the response. So there you can see the Razorpay success response. Okay, so this is how you can run the same code on iPhone as well. Okay, and if you will find some error something like that, CocoaPad error or Razorpay incompatible target, so just follow the step that I mentioned, and then everything will work fine. Okay, and also you can download the source code and the Razorpay PHP file to generate the order ID. Everything is available in the description, so just check it.